Students, this is the second class of gastric proton pump inhibitors. Already in first class we have seen what is the proton pump, what are proton pump inhibitors, its example, mechanism of action and uses. So in this class we are going to see the drugs coming under proton pump inhibitors. The first one is called omeprazole. So we'll see the structure of omeprazole. It is having benzimidazole nucleus. So what is meant by benzimidazole? Benzene that is fused with imidazole. So the fusion of these two can be called benzimidazole, and in that fifth position is having methoxy group, and the second position of benzimidazole is having sulfinyl group. SO is called sulfinyl. If S is connected with the two oxygens, no, that can be called as sulfone. So here it is connected with only one oxygen, that can be called sulfinyl. So here the second position of benzimidazole is connected with sulfinyl, and that is connected to methyl, and that one is connected to the second position of, second carbon of pyrimidine, and third and fifth are having methyl groups, and the fourth one is having methoxy group. So totally two heterocyclic rings are present. One is called benzimidazole, another one is called pyridine. In the benzimidazole, fifth position it is having methoxy, whereas here fourth position it is having methoxy. But here it is having methyl in third and fifth. So here fifth one methoxy, here fourth one methoxy, here third and fifth are having methyl. And here second position is connected to CH2, and that one is connected to sulfinyl group. Here also second position is connected to that sulfinyl sulfur. So that would be the structure of omeprazole. So what is the chemical name? Here the benzimidazole is the parent. In that what is attached? 1N. Fifth position it is having methoxy. That's why 5-methoxy. And the whole thing, no, that would be attached to the second position. So 2 open bracket. In that here in fourth position it is having methoxy. So 4-methoxy. 3,5 dimethyl. This is pyridine, and second position is attached with that. That's why 2YL methyl sulfinyl, close the bracket. This is 1H benzimidazole. So that is the chemical name. So it is a selective and irreversible proton pump inhibitor. Its primary metabolites are 5-hydroxy-omeprazole and omeprazole sulfone. Its enantiomer can be called as esomeprazole. There may be two enantiomers, one is R and another one is S. The S enantiomer of omeprazole can be called esomeprazole, and that has gastric proton pump inhibiting activity. This one is available as a magnesium salt. So what is the structure of omeprazole? That is having benzimidazole, and that one is connected with sulfinyl in second position, and that sulfinyl is connected to methyl, that is connected to the second position of pyridine. And in pyridine, third and fifth it is having methyl, whereas in fourth position it is having methoxy. This benzimidazole is also having methoxy, but that is present in fifth position. So that's all about omeprazole. Next drug is called lansoprazole, having similar structure with omeprazole, but it is having two differences. So they are that one is here in the case of omeprazole, fourth position that is having methoxy. Here one hydrogen of that methyl, no, that is replaced by means of trifluoromethyl. So that is the one difference. Another one is omeprazole is having methyl in the fifth position, but that methyl is absent here. So only two differences. What are they? One is in fourth position of omeprazole that is having methoxy, that is OCH3. Here one H is replaced by means of trifluoromethyl. Another one is the fifth methyl is absent. That's all. So what would be the chemical name? Same. So 5-methoxy, 2 open bracket, in the 3-methyl, and then 4. This would be the second carbon. So 2 carbons, no, that would be ethyl with the oxygen, that is called ethoxy. So with the ethoxy, second carbon, that would be connected with the 3 fluorines. That's why 4 open bracket in the 2,2,2 trifluoro. This is ethoxy, pyridine, 2YL, methyl sulfinyl, close the bracket, benzimidazole or 1H benzimidazole. Actually it is a racemic mixture, that is 1:1 ratio of the enantiomers. Examples: this lansoprazole and levo-lansoprazole. So what are the enantiomers of lansoprazole? One is this lansoprazole, another one is levo-lansoprazole. So what is the difference between omeprazole with lansoprazole? Omeprazole is having methoxy group in fourth position. Here one hydrogen from the methyl, no, that is replaced by means of trifluoromethyl, and another one is fifth methyl is absent here. So what are the enantiomers of lansoprazole? One is des-lansoprazole and levo-lansoprazole. Next drug is called pantoprazole. Look at the structure. What is the difference between this one with omeprazole? In the case of omeprazole, in fifth position, that is having methoxy, OCH3. So here two hydrogens, CH3 no. So in that 3, two hydrogens are replaced by means of two fluorines. So that is the one difference. Another one is in the third position it is having methyl, but here it is having methoxy, and fifth methyl is also absent here. So three differences. So what are the three differences between omeprazole and pantoprazole? In the case of omeprazole, that is having methoxy in fifth position of benzimidazole, whereas here that is OCHF2, that is two hydrogens are replaced by means of two fluorines. And another one is third methyl now, that is replaced by means of methoxy, and fifth methyl is absent. So what is the chemical name? So parent is benzimidazole. In that 5 two fluorines, so difluoromethoxy, 2 open bracket, in the 3,4 dimethoxy pyridine 2YL methyl sulfinyl 1H benzimidazole. It is available as a sodium salt. The last drug is called rabiprazole. Look at the structure of rabiprazole and compare this one with omeprazole. In the case of omeprazole, that is having methoxy. I mean benzimidazole is having methoxy in fifth position. But here that methoxy is absent. And come here in the fourth position, that is having methoxy group. Here in that methoxy, actually what is here? This is having methoxy ethoxy. So 3 methoxy ethoxy group. So for in the case of omeprazole, that one is having methoxy group in fourth position, whereas rabiprazole is having methoxy ethoxy group in fourth position, and the fifth methyl no, that was absent. So that is for rabiprazole. So what is the chemical name? Here only one substitution in second position. There would not be any substitution in fifth position. That's why 2 open bracket. In that here 4, in that 3, in that one. So in the 3 methoxy, this is called methoxy, this is called propoxy. Okay, then 3 methyl, this is pyridine 2YL, again methyl sulfinyl 1H benzimidazole. It is also available as a sodium salt. That's all about gastric proton pump inhibitors.